This is 18.3. 18.3. I'm gonna get some zip ties. There. So we got 3-wire conductor here. So other one I did, I had made it real nice with a terminal block from low voltage. This one we're just gonna wire nut it because I don't have another voltage block, but I can get one. You know what? This stuff you don't even need wire strip. I don't know why I'm using it. You can just use your fingernail. So one jumper off. Now I need common to split off. So let me get some wire. Common landed. Did I nick it? Did I nick it? No, I did not. Be green. This is my no. This is common. It's gonna go to green. This is R. It's gonna go there. Let me get my other side situated before I hook that up. Oh. Thermostat time. This little thing here needs to come out. It's gonna run off 24 volts, but it's got a battery backup. So we're going to take care of that right now. So if the power goes out, it won't lose its schedule because it's going to be 7-day programmed with occupied and unoccupied times. 246. Done. Okay, so we're going to go system. Drain from over there needs to land directly on terminal 2. So So let's go land some things over here. C G. That's a little too much wire exposed. G R R. This is S1 and S2. This is my sensors. No polarity on these. Like I said, no polarity. No way. Bet you gotta fix it. Bet you gotta do it. Bada bing. Okay. Let's hook up this side. And I seen on there my sensor is not, I have to go into my I have to go to installer setup and change it from thermostat to remote sensor. That's why it says 75 on there right now. That stays there because that's my green. So that's basically it. This wire to my coil here. There's no call right now because I don't have a call on my thermostat. And here it's set to 74 and that's 72. My space has got to be about 67, so I'm gonna go look at this and follow all the installer setup